Faceless YouTube channels are making people money and you are not taking advantage of it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can be able to make money with these AI videos that people are literally using out here. You do not need to show your face, you just need to be able to understand AI, and I'm here to show you exactly how you can get started. Hello guys, my name is Miss Julie KE. I talk about making money on the online space, business ideas, and financial education. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down here below if you're going to try out these AI videos that we're going to talk about. AI is taking over the industry and people are taking advantage of it. If you have not yet taken advantage of it, I do not know why you are still there, because there are so many AI platforms that you can get started with for free, and I'm going to share with you one of the best which I have used, and you can get a link to the video down here below on exactly how to get started with it step by step. So this platform is called Hygen. It is an AI platform that allows you to create AI avatars, AI videos that you can be able to create short videos that you can post here on YouTube or any other platform and make you money. So when it comes to making money on the online space, how exactly are people making money? The first one that I said is through YouTube faceless videos. People are creating videos on Bible stories, folk tales, and these AI talking avatars that are making them money without even showcasing themselves. So first thing is you need to be able to come up with the concept and the story and the storyline and everything. So it can either be your AI avatar, it can be Bible stories, or it can be folk tales. So whichever you choose, it is up to you. You need to stick with it. So if it's an AI avatar that will be speaking, then you need to come up with the niche that you'll be talking about. If it's on business ideas, if it's on financial education, or whatever it is, and then go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt to come up with YouTube scripts that you can be able to create videos with it. And after you have created your AI avatar, you can go and take the YouTube scripts and then place it on. It can be able to record all that YouTube script and give you the video that you need to create. This is a concept that definitely requires a one-on-one. If you're someone who is not getting this and you want to be taken a step by step, you can book a coaching call with me and I will walk you through on exactly how to do this. Okay, so that is the first way that people are making money, through faceless YouTube channels, and you can take advantage of it. Another platform that also is good is called VIDYO AI. It is also AI. It can also create for you AI faceless videos that you can be able to share on YouTube, and you can be able to get paid through YouTube AdSense, because people are loving these folk tales, people are loving these Bible stories. So you definitely will be making money with this kind of concept. Another way you can make money is through affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, like I always say, it is a beginner friendly, but if you do not understand affiliate marketing, the in and out, then you cannot be able to make the money you need to make. So get yourself the ebook on affiliate marketing for beginners. But how you can be able to make money is simply going to this AI platform, give it a prompt to create for you an AI avatar, an AI video, either in relation to things like, if you want to promote things to do with gym wear, fitness, you can give it a prompt to create for you a video. People who are either in the gym, they are either doing fitness and everything, and then go to Amazon, apply with Amazon Associate, get a link, and then take that link in affiliate, in fitness and everything, and place it on your social media platform. So when you are posting this video and someone is interested in those kind of fitness and all those kind of gym wears and everything, they can be able to go and purchase it using the link that you have placed it on the descriptions or on your bio. Another way is through selling digital products. So you can create things like kids cartoon, kids stories that are in relation to AI. So you don't have to overthink it. You just go to AI, it will create for you cartoon videos and all this, and from there you can monetize this content through selling digital products. So it can either be kids coloring books, it can either be kids journals. So it really depends. If your content is in relation to kids, you can go and create all those stuffs and then sell them on places like Amazon KDP. You can sell them on Seller, you can sell them on Etsy. So it depends with what content you're creating. So if it's kids related content, you can sell kids related stuff. If it's adult, then you can create digital products that are related to adults. And the good thing about digital product is you can be able to make money passively, because you don't have to be showcasing every time. You just need to create this digital product once, and then people will come back for more and more and more. So yeah, it is a win-win. Take advantage. If it's those Bible stories, you can create a kids storybook that is really in relation to that video, and then parents can buy for their kids bedtime storybooks, Bible storybooks, and all this through just that one video that you have created. Another way is through brand partnership. Brands can be able to reach out to you. So a brand like Hygiene, when they see that you are creating videos in their platform and then you are reaching the people that they want to they are targeting, they will definitely reach out to you to want to work with you, and they will pay you the money so that you can be able to promote their brand to reach to more people. So those are some of the ways that you can be able to make money using AI videos. It can either be short videos, it can be long videos. It is up to you, but like I always say, you need to know who your audience is, and you need to know which platforms you're going to deal with. If you want the platform to pay you, definitely go for YouTube, and then you can repurpose your content to these other short platform videos like TikTok and Instagram. And this is how people are making money using AI. So do not sit on this. Use the platforms that you need to use to create the AI videos. It can be Hygiene, I'll leave a link to it. It can be InVideo AI, it can be Leonardo. The only thing is you need to be able to understand. When you're able to understand how this AI platform works, it can be easier for you to create videos. And the good thing is it's very the good thing about this side hustle is you do not have to show your face. So nobody will know who is behind the camera, because the AI videos that you'll be creating will not showcase your face. So it is beginner friendly for someone who is shy on the camera. They are introverts, they don't want to be seen by their families and everything. Then you can take this side hustle and start making money with these AI videos and see yourself grow to where you need to be. I hope you have found value. I hope you're going to try something out, and tell me on the comment section down here below which side hustle you're going to try out, so that I can be able to know which one has helped you. Till next time, bye bye.